impact do you think it's had, Patrick, just service-wise on your overall firm? Do you think it's helped with like work-life balance, profit margins? Kind of tell me about like the benefits that have really come out of it.
I would say the number one, the biggest is turnaround time. So we're able to obtain client information and client records and upload it to the Xpitax team. I remember countless times uploading information on Thursday night, Friday morning, and 24 to 48 hours, we have a tax return back with questions. And even on my team, even with the staff that we have, we would not have a return turned around that quickly. And so there would be an open item. Hey, we noticed that you had a tax credit the prior year and you don't have tax credit in there for this year. And that would lead us to be able to chase that information down and get that information readily available. Plus, we're responding to the client in a very quick manner. So versus our normal turnaround time was about a week to 10 days. And not being able to give the client a list of questions for a week to 10 days is a much different story than being able to give a client a list of questions 48 hours later.
So Lauren, same kind of question. How do you think that Xpitax has really impacted the firm overall, right? Do you think it's created kind of a more work-life balance for you guys? Do you think, to Patrick's point, it's helping you get these questions turned around, so it's giving you a better, I guess, client relationship at the end of the day?
Yeah, I think, as Patrick said, with the turnaround time, there's more often than not times where I've sent something off day before and the next day it's already back. And so that really does help with the client relationship of just having those questions back for them is that fast. Now, part of our process is kind of trying to get some of those questions out at as close to the beginning as possible. So we will sometimes do like missing information emails, like when we check in the return, but having kind of two sets of eyes on it and having that come back still closer, to the time that we got it in from the client has helped tremendously with like client response time and just being able to get the return done that much more quickly. As far as work-life balance goes, I think it's definitely an improvement on that. I think with the amount of volume that has increasingly come through over the years, the use of Xpitax with the outsourcing definitely helps it be a lot more manageable than it would be otherwise.